So we're back again. This is a Tele style guitar that I built, stained, did all the things to it. Alnico 5 Fleor pickups, brushed aluminum pick guard, stained, lacquer clear, CTS pots, boost function in the center there. When you put it in the middle position, it gives you a boost, kind of makes it a coil or a humbucker type sound. Same thing we're doing on the other ones here. Okay, middle position. Okay, pull that pot and boost it. Okay, to the neck. Great playing, great sounding guitar. I mean, let me know what you think. Let's switch to the next one here, see what you think there. Okay, this is a Strat style guitar that I built. I like Fleor pickups, real big fan of them. These are Alnico 5 staggered pole pieces. Blender mod in the bottom tone position, so you can run those parallel, series, whatever. 5-way Oaks Grimsby switch. I mean, big block in the trim system, locking tuners, all the things. I tend to do the same things on all the ones I build. So let's go back to what we were doing on the other ones. Okay, that was bridge. Number 2 position. Middle position. Okay, number 4. Okay, 5. Okay, then we can blend it. That was number 1, number 2. Middle. Number 4. And number 5. Alright. So, quick rundown of that. This was a Amazon body, about 90 bucks. I had the neck, upgrades, pickups, all the things, mint pick guard. I mean, let me know what you think. I got one more. I'll come back in another video for that one.